Algorand really is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that by and large has a truly present worth of $250,212 and a market capitalization of $234,544,570 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies sort of have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, or so they in every way that really matters thought. These days, it's a resource class that truly is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate. Some in every practical sense, huge speculation banks even obtain Algorand and really other cryptographic forms of money as a group to, in a real sense, safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Hence, a foresighted financial backer ought to explicitly work basically a piece of their portfolio around digital currencies with the end goal of broadening, and to basically have the option to endure the especially potential disturbances on conventional monetary business sectors, which is genuinely huge. In any case, because of the intrinsic unpredictability of Algo and the sort of greater part of other digital forms of money, having crypto in the portfolio requires commonly nearer observing of the events on expressed markets to truly have the option to enter-leave the situation at the most proper second, which is very huge. It's reasonable that most financial backers don't by and large have the, in every practical sense, full-time ability to essentially follow the business sectors by any stretch of the imagination, especially times or fundamentally anticipate their, for the most part, expected developments. To fundamentally work with this errand, the accompanying Algorand cost expectation really has been explained with the help of the high-level instrument named the Crypto Unpredictability File CVIX to guarantee the precision and the legitimacy of this Algo cost gauge model in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to diving into the Algorand value examination and figure, essentially permit us to by and large emphasize the crucial standards of appropriate methodology towards putting resources into cryptographic forms of money, which generally is very critical. Presently, now is the right time to really uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul forecast of the improvements on the algo market that for the most part depend on the readings of our novel crypto unpredictability file that sort of assists us with checking the market feeling and truly expect where in which the market means to go, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Algorand certainly is $250,212, while the coin at present truly ends up at 43rd spot in the general positioning, which really is very huge. The said truly positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that sort of is duplicated by its in every practical sense current market capitalization, an equation that essentially is applied all through every monetary market, which truly is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients by and large get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, or so they really thought. It's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in and in every practical sense significant way. On walk 17, the cost of Algorand explicitly was at $60.69 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 901% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on walk 11, Algo explicitly was esteemed at $60.2073, which in every practical sense intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has fundamentally changed by 0%. A month prior, on February 18, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $194.120. In this way, the coin fundamentally has taken a 29.45% action to arrive at its current standings incredibly as a matter of fact. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main variable that we fundamentally consider while making the cost expectation in a kind of large manner. It's likewise vital to especially keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to explicitly have an unmistakable perspective on where the market basically is going in and in every way that really matters huge way. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys commonly equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the exceptionally generally position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in an unpretentious way explicitly. Changes In market capitalization, extremely sure or exceptionally negative fundamentally are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could especially be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and kind of long-haul points of view, or so they thought. This specific measurement certainly is additionally used to check the strength of Algorand comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of Algo, we vary the coursing supply, the boundary that will generally be made sense of later, by the in every way that really matters present worth of the digital currency under audit, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand remains at $34,544,570, which frames the reason for essentially present fundamentally positioning for the most part was referenced before, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on Walk 17, Algo basically had a market capitalization of $253,349,379 in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week on Walk 11, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to especially was recorded at $218,728,620, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on February 18, the market worth of Algorand was evaluated to in every way that really matters be $1,561,631.986 in an unpretentious manner. Absolute stock considers the quantity of coins that have previously been created by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for especially dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an unobtrusive manner. This especially metric additionally considers the coins that in every practical sense have been transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, the all-out supply of Algorand generally is laid out at 8066,796,465 Algo in an unobtrusive manner. In conclusion, the coursing supply really is utilized to, in a real sense, work out the market capitalization and sort of evaluate the coins, especially current remaining in the positions, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It signifies the fundamentally generally measure of Algo that sort of is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use out of the blue in an essentially enormous manner. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most appropriate for kind of long-haul speculation, since they truly are generally really prone to essentially see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Algorand generally has a circling supply of 866,796,465 coins in an extremely significant manner. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the mark of $124,818. And yesterday on Walk 17, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded